my revivers, and I am coming to you with a quick video. And this is something that I wanted to share because I know it is a hassle for me, and it's irritating and it can be frustrating when you make a nice golden tasty bagel and it's time to put the cream cheese on. Even when it's hot, if that cream cheese is nice and cold, you are going to have a struggle and your bagel will get mutilated. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make sure your bagels don't get mutilated and they look nice and intact when you eat them. So hold on, guys. So guys, I'm gonna show you. This is the normal struggle. You get the cream cheese, you clunk it out, and it's nice and thick, and you're trying to get it on the bagel, and it's just kind of like, oh, this actually did good for this video. But anywho, times when it doesn't, I actually let this sit out just a little bit, which I shouldn't have. But let me show you an easier way. That way you're not smashing, because I literally had to smash the bagel down. You see the difference in the height to get the cream cheese on? So I'm going to show you how I do it, a simpler way to not mutilate my bagel. So I got a little glass bowl. I'm going to put the amount of cream cheese of my choice in there, just like so. And then we're going to go over to the microwave. Alright guys, so we're going to throw this in the microwave for, let's say, 18 seconds. And guys, this is the same thing as buying that extra fancy whipped cream cheese. They bring that to the market. Why? Because they knew that it was a lot of people struggling. Why am I tongue tied? It was a lot of people struggling to put cream cheese on their bagel and spread the cream cheese, because the cream cheese is so thick. So here we have the cream cheese after it's been in the microwave, nice and warm and creamy. And actually, if you could have did a little less time than that, but that was only 18 seconds. And let's go put this creamy cream cheese on our bagel. Alright guys, so now we're going to take it, and look, I don't have to do nothing but just spread it nice and evenly on my bagel. You see that? A big difference than having to squish it down because the cream cheese doesn't want to release from the knife. Look, it is nothing but you making your own cream cheese or whipped cream cheese without paying the extra cost. And all I'm using is an Aldi's cream cheese that I love. And I also like to use the strawberry cream cheese from Aldi's. But there you have a better way of putting your cream cheese on your bagels without mutilating your bagel. I hope this was a informative video for you, and I hope you can use it. If you can't use it, share it with someone that you know love bagels and they can use it. So I am signing off. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure that if you are new to my channel that you subscribe, because it costs you nothing. All we do is how-tos, DIYs, and ways to save a coin and ways to make things in life so much easier. If you enjoy things like that, you definitely want to be a part of the Reviver team. And I will see you guys in my next video. Later, gators.